The mirror of creation imagines staring into a mirror that does not simply reflect light, but stretches across time itself, opening a window to the very birth of the cosmos. A mirror not made of fragile glass, but of radiant gold, burnished and sculpted with an almost impossible precision. Its surface, perfectly curved and polished, captures the faintest whispers of the universe's first dawn, echoes of events that unfolded billions of years before any human eye could exist. And when you gaze into it, you do not see your reflection. You do not see your face, your home, or your planet. You do not see your galaxy spiraling silently through the void. Instead, you peer through this golden window into the infancy of the universe, into a time when reality itself was still learning to exist, when matter and energy were discovering their place, and the laws of physics were being written in the first, fragile light of creation. This is the purpose of the James Webb Space Telescope, to look not just across distance but deep into the very fabric of time itself. To catch photons that have traveled billions of years through the cold emptiness of space, to reveal the first stars, the first galaxies, the first seeds of planets, and perhaps even the earliest hints of life. Every detail of Webb, from its immense sunshield to its golden mirrors, was crafted to capture the invisible, the forgotten light of beginnings. And when Webb finally turned its golden eyes toward the dark, silent expanse of space, what it revealed was far stranger than anyone had imagined. It was not the calm, orderly cradle of creation that scientists had expected. It was not a gentle, uniform field of hydrogen and helium, spread evenly across the void. Instead, it was something else entirely, a contradiction written boldly across the stars, a cosmic enigma that defied every assumption about the universe's youth. For decades, astronomers believed they had traced the universe's pattern. First came the Big Bang, not an explosion in space, but the rapid expansion of space itself, stretching faster than the speed of light. Then came the long, silent dark age, hundreds of millions of years before the first stars flickered to life. Matter drifted slowly, pulled together by the invisible hand of gravity. Galaxies formed gradually from wisps of dust. Clusters emerged from galaxies. And over billions of years, planets capable of supporting life eventually appeared. The pattern seemed certain. The further back we looked, the simpler the universe should appear: faint clouds of hydrogen, drifting chaos, scattered radiation. This was the expectation. But Webb shattered that expectation entirely. When its golden mirrors focused on a patch of sky that had been thought utterly empty, it revealed something that should not have existed: a fully formed galaxy. Not a blurred smudge, not a diffuse cloud of gas, but a breathtaking spiral of light, perfectly structured. Stars moved in harmony, orbiting gracefully, spiraling arms coiling like ribbons of fire, all revolving elegantly through the dark void. At the galaxy's center, a monstrous black hole pulsed like a heartbeat, the engine of a thriving, ancient city of stars. This was no infant galaxy. It was fully formed, precise, and alive, existing when the universe itself should have barely begun to organize matter. It was as if the cosmos had skipped billions of years of slow evolution and leapt. The shock did not end there. With every new image Webb captured, more galaxies emerged from the ancient cosmic haze, mature, luminous, fully structured, as if the universe had defied time itself, racing through its own evolution faster than any theory could predict. Webb's first deep field image revealed a galaxy more than 13 billion light-years away. Astronomers had expected a faint, almost imperceptible glimmer, barely distinguishable from cosmic noise. Instead, it stared back at them, radiant and alive, its spirals wrapping gracefully around a dense, glowing core, a structure so precise it seemed almost intentional, as if the universe itself had taken a careful, deliberate breath and arranged every star by hand. These galaxies were ancient in their architecture, yet impossibly young in chronological time. Stars danced in perfect harmony, coiling through space in a cosmic ballet, each movement precise, deliberate, eternal. Galaxies were supposed to evolve slowly, matter drifting aimlessly across vast voids, stars taking millions of years to ignite, galaxies taking billions of years to assemble. But Webb told a story the universe had never whispered before. These galaxies had history, order, and breathtaking beauty. Even supermassive black holes, billions of times the mass of our Sun, appeared at the dawn of time, their gravitational pull shaping galaxies before the universe should have been mature enough to sustain them. The early universe was meant to be chaotic, simple, raw. But Webb revealed a cosmos already thriving, already alive, already intricate beyond anything human imagination could grasp. Galaxies were not scattered randomly. Spirals, ratios, and geometries repeated themselves, echoing the sacred patterns found in nature on Earth, a cosmic fractal stretching across the stars, a harmony that suggested the same hidden hand, or perhaps the same natural laws, shaping life and matter from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. In the vast voids between galaxies, Webb detected faint traces of complex organic molecules, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, the chemical scaffolding for amino acids, floating freely from the very beginning of time, drifting through space long before planets even existed. Perhaps life itself was written into the universe's design. Perhaps it was not a coincidence, but an inevitability, an outcome seeded into the cosmos from the first moments of creation. Then came the image astronomers called the flower. 6 galaxies arranged like perfect petals around a central, luminous core, rotating in eerie, synchronized harmony. No natural explanation could account for it. Gravitational lensing could not produce such precision. Some whispered, could this be more than chance? A cosmic signature, a message carved into spacetime itself. Waiting for someone to notice? And the most unsettling thought emerged. What if observation itself changes the universe? Quantum mechanics teaches that measurement affects reality. But what if this principle extends beyond atoms and molecules all the way to stars, galaxies, and the fabric of spacetime itself? Some of Webb's images appeared to shift subtly over time. Faint structures fade and reappear, spirals and cores reshape themselves in imperceptible ways, patterns emerge, dissolve, and reform. Is it noise? Or something far stranger? Something alive, responsive, or conscious? If this is true, then we are not merely observers. We are participants, company authors in a story of unimaginable scale, entangled with the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Webb has not simply shown us the unimaginable. It has challenged us to imagine beyond every limit we thought existed. Perhaps we have not discovered the edge of the universe, but glimpsed its memory, its earliest thoughts, its hidden architecture, written across the fabric of time itself, a story billions of years in the making, a record of creation that has been waiting for someone to look, to notice, to witness, and perhaps even to understand.